This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove an SD card from your Android tablet. So if I just look at the top here, I can see where this goes in. Here's the SD card slot. And I can use this SIM removal tool I got with my phone. And I can just press down into this hole. And it'll pop out just a little bit. Then I can use my fingernails. And I can slide this up. So here's my SD card. You can see it's in there. I can just remove it and then place this back in empty. Okay, so it's just that easy. So you might have one of these laying around. You probably got them with your phone when you got it, or if you had to get a new SIM card, or you can just look for like earrings or something like that. Just something small like that you can place in there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.